Hi everyone, this is Mia and welcome to today's episode where we'll dive into some of the best features on SketchUp. If you're brand new to 3D modeling or if you're just curious about what tools you might not know, this video is for you. And trust me, these features will save you so much time and help bring your designs to life. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more tips. Alright, so let's start with what makes SketchUp so easy to use. So the push and pull tool. Here's how it works. You draw a simple shape, grab the push and pull tool, click and drag. And there you have it. Your flat shape becomes 3D. It's super intuitive for beginners, and you can even pull things inwards to carve out sections of your model like windows or doors. So next, let's talk about a feature that could speed up your workflow. So the 3D warehouse. So if you need a chair, a tree, or even a house, the 3D warehouse has all of that. It's like SketchUp's version of Amazon, but instead of shopping for stuff, you're grabbing free models to use in your design. And if you want to level it up even more, there's this thing called Extension Warehouse. So you'll find plugins that can turn SketchUp into a tool for rendering, animation, and even landscape design. It really elevates your SketchUp experience. Now, let's say you're working with other architects or designers who use different software. That's no problem because SketchUp can easily import and export tools, making it easy to work with files under AutoCAD or Revit. And you can just import floor plans, images, or other 3D models, so it makes collaboration super easy. Just go to File and then Import and you're good to go. And if you want to export, it's even easier. SketchUp lets you export in a variety of files like printing, presentation, or continuing your work in another program. So next up, we have styles and materials. So this is where you can get really creative with your designs and make your model stand out. If you want to make it more realistic than just the typical drag and drop sketch and everything, you can go to styles and you can switch between different visuals to see what looks good. And with materials, you can paint your surfaces with anything from concrete to glass or even wood. And for this example, we have grass and some soil at the side. So this is where your design feels really real. Now let's talk about shadow analysis. So one of SketchUp's underrated tools is that it can make a huge difference in your design, especially when it has realistic shadows. So shadow analysis allows you to visualize how sunlight will interact with your building throughout the day and across different seasons. To use it, you go to Window. Under Shadows, you use the sliders to adjust the time of day that you want and the date. So you'll instantly see how light and shadows fall on your model. This tool is like amazing for planning outdoor spaces, improving energy efficiency, or just making sure your design looks realistic and amazing in natural light. It's perfect for architects or designers who want to factor in real world like sunlight conditions. Finally, we have layout, and this is great if you want to present your work professionally. So layout really turns your 3D models into beautiful 2D drawings and presentations. This tool lets you create construction documents, add annotations, and even build multi-page presentations. So just click on File, then Send to Layout, and SketchUp will just set up everything for you. As you can see in the video, it's super easy, and you don't need all that fancy software. So there you have it. These are the top features that make SketchUp a must-have for anyone looking to get into 3D modeling. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!